back at Alton Towers. Woo woo! Oh, we're having a walk down there now.
Yeah.
We're back at Alton Towers. It's been a while, hasn't it? I know, and we're stopping on property for the first time.
First time ever.
And it opens tomorrow. It's busy, excited.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Nemesis is opening.
Yay.
Oh, we got all our favourite rides again.
Yeah.
So we could get all on them before we go on Nemesis, can't we, to be
No,
honest?
to be fair, we could, couldn't we?
could,
But
indeed.
I
But
can't wait.
no, we're stopping in the Enchanted Village.
Yeah.
We're just going to show you a bit about our stay here.
Yeah.
And our evening,
Very
whatever
windy.
we had to get up to. It is a bit windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to find our lodge.
Go on then.
You got the stuff, Ev?
Yeah. It feels like we've got so much. I've got more stuff than when we usually go on holiday.
I know, yeah. So we have got one of these big bags each.
Yeah.
You can't quite see.
Lounge fly.
Ev's got a lounge fly. I've got a big purple bag.
Yeah.
Can you see that, guys? That would have been a weird shot, guys. But yeah, we've got our food, our snacks. We're supplied, guys. So this is probably going to go up, obviously, after tonight. But if you're in the Enchanted Village tonight,
Come see
we're up
us.
for the party, aren't we? As long as you like pom bears and skips.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all we've got. Right, so we come back through the pods.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Let's go. Oh, so we've got all our stuff unpacked. We're all sorted, aren't we?
All in, ready.
We're all in, ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, we're going to join the queue now, aren't we?
Yeah, come on, let's
Come on, let's get in. Right, what time is this? 4 o'clock?
4:20.
First one's in the queue. Laughing. Come on, let's get to Nemesis quick. No, we're in the massive. We're going to have a little wander around, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't really know what we're going to do.
No.
We're going to have one to the golf because you get a free golf, don't you?
You do.
So we're going to have a look at that, see if that's open.
Hopefully.
It's not the end of the world if not, is it?
No, it'll be
Just
a bit
cold.
fun. No, it's a bit chilly.
But we're going to have a wander around.
Yeah.
We'll bring you guys on our adventure on our pre-opening day.
Ooh.
Well, as we're on our wander, this is the Splash Landings Hotel. Kind of showing you the others, haven't we?
Yeah.
At least where they are.
And then you've got the water park in there, haven't you?
You have indeed, which we'd love to do one day, so hopefully soon.
Yeah,
This is a separate section thing, isn't it? So
Yeah, I think sometimes they include it in your stay, but it's not all the time.
no, not all the time. I think it's more inclined if you are stopping at Splash Landings.
Yeah, I believe so.
Get you out on the deals. You
Yeah.
never know. Yeah. Well, that's where it is. Looks pretty good. Maybe one day. Here's the golf. Very backlit by the sun. But it's closed, unfortunately. It closed at 4 o'clock. So no golfing for us today.
Not today.
It's because I would have wanted it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably. Leave it in the comments, guys. Do you like having your glasses? Very cool, aren't they? What are they? J-bands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they're actually real.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, they look very nice in the sun there, Ev. Very pretty. Right, so we're going to check out the beast then for
Yeah.
one last time.
Come on.
We've stood here for a couple of minutes, to be honest, haven't we?
Yeah.
And you can hear the music. You're definitely not going to get that on camera, are you?
No.
But you can hear the music, the theming. It's all behind that fence. It's all ready for tomorrow. Oh, something happening. I'm not too sure. Oh, we don't kind of get up closer, do we?
No, I don't want to get told.
We've seen some people walk past, so I'm guessing you can. It's not closed, but we don't want to just push our luck, do we, to be honest?
Definitely, I don't want to get told off.
No, we want some surprises, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
But you never know. Hopefully, it will be good.
Fingers crossed.
Can't wait. Right, so we're going to carry on our adventure.
Come on then.
Oh, sorry, I thought I just did the lift up there. So this is what we're standing in, and we hear a little noise, and it feels like, oh, it's happening. Well, they're running back up. Oh, is it testing?
We'll just hover around,
shall we?
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case. We're not trying to snoop or anything, but
No, we just want to see it test ready for tomorrow.
yeah, just want to make sure it's all working, don't we?
Yeah, we
I don't think Wolfie's been on it yet, has he?
Apparently not.
No.
I bet he has been on it.
I bet he's lapped it 10, 15 times.
Yeah,
I would.
reckon I would as well.
Do you reckon Burton's been on it as well?
Yeah, definitely.
I reckon they all have.
I reckon they will.
Burton, Wardley, Bianca, and
Somebody else on front row.
there's noises everywhere. It's crazy. Alton Towers, pre-opening day. You can definitely not see anything, can you guys? We're behind the fence. We just sneaked a little bit closer though, haven't
Yeah,
we?
we have,
Thanks to
haven't
these
we?
little kids next to
Yeah.
us. So shout out to you guys here. But yeah, we've got this fence here. We're not going to be able to see much, are we?
massive the queue line's going to be.
Oh, it's going to be busy, haven't it?
Yeah.
You definitely can't make out anything. Not
No,
that sun as well.
we can't.
Right, shall we leave them in peace then?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah, we'll leave them in peace.
Let's test it.
I know, it'd be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look, what's that smoke?
So smoke. Oh, the sun is playing havoc with the camera, guys. There you go. Can you see anything? Oh, yes, there you go. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, looks like it's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, where are we then now?
We're in the hotel bar.
Yeah, we're just got their entertainment, haven't
Yeah.
we? Oh, it's all pretty good, isn't it?
It's really good.
Yeah, really good. Right, let's go to refreshments. So we made down to the hotel, haven't we? We're in the bar, we're having some drinks, aren't we? Cheers, we made some friends, haven't we? Oh, we're having a great time, aren't we? And hey guys. Hello. Hello.
Let's see those air guitars, everyone. Who's ready to happen today?
You got your air guitar, Ab? Oh, we're in the room, Ev, aren't we? Just getting ready for our evening. Look how fancy Ev looks. Woo, woo, look at that. Yeah, we can nice and dressed up, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, because we're going to go to Rollercoaster Restaurant.
We are, aren't we? So we've actually managed to wing a Rollercoaster Restaurant reservation. So we can't wait to go have a bit of food, aren't we?
I know. And I've heard there's a new burger.
I've heard there's a new burger. A reborn burger.
Yes, a very special reborn burger.
So we're going to have a look at that, aren't we?
Yeah.
And hopefully we can see a little bit of nighttime action, nemesis.
Fingers
There's
crossed.
some from Coronation Street's on the ride at the moment.
I believe so.
Yeah, they've had a little preview event press promotion night tonight.
I'm not going to lie, I'm very jealous.
I'm very jealous. If you want to invite us next year, Bianca, for Horizon or whenever you open that.
Yeah, please do.
We don't have to film anything, that's fine. No. Moving swiftly on.
Yes.
Are you excited for the Rollercoaster Restaurant, Dad?
I am. It was lovely last time, so I can't wait.
It was really good one too. So this is only our second time we've ever been, so hopefully it's going to be really nice. Can't wait to try the food.
Nope.
What a fantastic little state it's been.
Fantastic. Oh my God. I've had a brilliant night already, and it is only 7:15, so.
Wow, the weekend's only going to get better, isn't
It
it?
is.
Oh, on the way back out, aren't we, Av?
We are.
To our reservation at the Rollercoaster Restaurant, and it's freezing cold. So cold. It's so dark as well, isn't it?
It's really dark.
You could maybe do with some lights around it. It looks a lot lighter on the film.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's quite dark, isn't it? Not like we're walking into the Forbidden Valley.
I was just about to say Forbidden Valley.
Right, should we get to Rollercoaster Restaurant then? Yeah. Let's go.
Yes,
We're in.
Look! It's all lit up.
Oh wow! Oh, it looks pretty amazing, that, doesn't it?
So good, doesn't it?
And I quite like how they've got all this blue here,
Yeah, me too.
and then you've got the red over there.
It looks so good.
Ooh, I'm excited, have you?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wait, look at that over there. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Have a look at that.
Oh, and they've got the
wow.
spotlight and everything. Oh my
wow.
goodness.
So we can't go past here, can we?
No,
This is the furthest we
unfortunately
can get.
not, but-
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
it does
it
look
looks
very
so
good.
good.
Right, so we can get a burger?
Yeah.
Come on then. Who's Nemesis? It's all about the smiler.
Yeah.
It says here, isn't it?
It always is
Almost
about the
banging in
smiler.
Rollercoaster Restaurant though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Good, isn't it?
Looks
Oh, wow.
smart.
Right, let's find our seat then.
Over there.
So we're in it, aren't we? The Rollercoaster Restaurant, look at this.
We've got a really good seat.
We've got a fantastic seat, haven't we?
Yeah, we can literally see everything.
You can see everything.
Yeah.
And big shout out to Claire.
Claire, yeah.
Fantastic.
She's just there.
Just there. So that's Claire.
Really good.
Come into the Rollercoaster Restaurant. Give Claire a bit of love.
Yeah,
Because she was thrilled,
definitely.
wasn't she?
She was.
She explained everything to us.
Yeah.
There's a new menu.
There is a brand new menu starting tonight.
So, shall we try it?
Yes.
Let's go. Oh, look at that, Ev.
I've got the roller coaster refresher because guess what? It's opening day and it's a refresh of roller coasters tomorrow.
Ooh, you can try them.
Oh wow.
Strong.
Very nice.
Is it a triple?
Yeah.
Why not? It does look nice though.
Yeah, very nice.
Well, it's here, Ev, anyway. It is here.
I'm not sure which one it is.
You're going to open it?
Yeah.
Find out.
Oh, this is mine.
It's yours, Ev?
Yeah.
Oh.
The only thing is,
We can't do these straps very well, can we?
There we go.
I mean, they are quite secured. Aren't they? They did come through a loop over there. So.
Yeah, they do to be fair, so...
No, it is pretty good.
And then these are my chips.
Are your chips?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully mine will be in a minute then.
No, you're not eating tonight.
Well, I've ordered a Nemesis Reborn burger, so I bloody hope so. What have you got? Oh, wow, look
yes.
at that.
Barbecue and honey chicken
Tenders?
strips. Tenders, yeah.
Chicken strips, isn't it? It looks nice though.
Got your burger?
Yeah, well, chips here, got my burger here.
Oh,
Shall we have a look at it?
Have a look at
can't open it. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh wow.
Reborn burger. What on earth?
Oh wow.
Is that a tandoori piece of chicken on it?
And a burger.
Oh, nice.
In a red one. Oh wow. Very impressed. Oh wow, look at them, Oh, the chicken tenders. Looks very good.
Oh, I can't wait.
Are they nice? You can try them? Oh, looks quite nice, doesn't it?
Oh, we try chicken tender?
Yeah, go for a chicken tender. Why not? Let's see what it's like. Is it nice? All sticky and chilly and... Oh, it looks very nice anyway.
Very nice and tender.
Nice and tender. Well, that's good. This is a good look at the reborn burger. So you get a burger, some kind of tandoori stuff.
Very good, thank you.
And yeah. So big shout out to Claire there.
Yeah, she's
Fantastic.
been really good.
Thank you, absolutely.
Oh, thank you very much.
So got slightly interrupted by Claire there, trying to clear the plates. Fair play to her. Absolutely brilliant.
Oh, it's so nice. Do you know what? It's got like a little kick to it, but a really nice kick.
It looks so nice.
So nice. Oh, barbecue and honey is a winner. So you're trying your burger?
I am. The Nemesis Reborn Burger.
Nemesis Reborn.
So have a look at that, guys.
Oh, to be fair, that does look pretty banging.
So I've had no sauce.
Oh yeah.
I don't really like mint yogurt.
Yeah.
So I haven't had any of that. But you can get it. Well, let's give it a go.
Go on, big bite.
Wow.
I'll come back to you in a sec. So,
That was crazy. So, Nemesis Reborn Burger. You got a tandoori fillet.
yeah.
And it seems like an onion bhaji patty thing on top. Which I didn't expect. I probably didn't read the thing properly to do that. Very, very nice. Very spicy. Very spicy.
Would you recommend?
Yeah. Do you want to try a bit of?
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah. Oh, it's starting, haven't it?
Galactica.
Well, that went that way, shall we? Be a better review for you guys there. It's a party. Sorry, guys. But no, yeah, that was pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Interesting
crazy,
stuff.
isn't it?
Yeah, hopefully they'll have a Nemesis thing.
Do you reckon it's going to be reborn now?
We'll see, won't we? Isn't it?
Yeah, it did, to be fair.
Oh, Oblivion.
Oblivion next.
Oh, it's party time then?
Yeah.
That looks absolutely amazing, doesn't
did indeed.
Well done, Alton Towers, for that
Yeah.
one. Oh, we've left there, haven't we?
I know, yeah. Feels like we shouldn't be in here.
I know, it doesn't, does it? I don't think we should be. Well, we definitely should because we went to the Rollercoaster Restaurant.
Yeah.
It was
so
very
it's
nice,
okay.
wasn't it?
It was delicious.
I'm freezing now.
Me too. I'm so full. I'm freezing. I've had a fantastic night.
What a pre-opening day it's been, Ev.
Yay!
Friday, Alton Towers, get yourselves down because it's always fun, isn't it?
Happy opening season.
Whoop, whoop. And we're back here, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Feels like we're just so used to this. It's our first time we've ever stopped and so comfortable. It's so welcoming, Alton Towers
It is,
Hotel.
to be fair. It's so nice.
And it's just really nice when you walk in and you see all this. Look at that, guys.
Fantastic.
We've got a little shop there. just to your left as you
And
walk
it's
in.
open till late.
Well, yeah, what time is it now? Gone 10 o'clock.
5 to 10.
So you can still get your few bits.
That's
not
really
too bad, is it, to be
good.
honest?
No.
Right, should we go down to the party?
Yeah, go on.
Let's go. What are you doing now?
I'm little.
You're little?
Yeah.
On this picture? Look at that. Oh, it's just fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it reminds me a bit of the one in Kiss.
Oh, yeah, the big one,
Yeah.
where Emily's next to you.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Really cool.
Very good little photo op there.
Yay.
Boop, boop. And today's tune will be... I can't do that. Can we get out of here, please? That was quick, wasn't it?
That's really great.
I just laughed at the lift knocked on you.
So I believe we're going to have a little nosy at another room.
Are you ready?
Are we ready? Are we here?
Yeah.
Are we literally here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. It's even got the noise.
That's the door.
Right, hold that.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, so... Whoa! Wow! Look at this! This is crazy.
Check this out, you ready?
That's the only thing that freaks me out as well.
Oh, that's a bit creepy, isn't it, to be honest?
We're gonna hit this in the night. We're gonna end up hitting that at 2 o'clock in the morning and just making up for flashing.
So massive shout out to NF Attractions and Theme Park and Travel Hub.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Let us have a look around here. Oh, wow, look at this, guys.
Ignore the mess. Smile their outfits
Don't
out.
worry, you haven't seen ours yet. This is crazy, isn't
Oh, yeah,
it?
smile their outfits out.
Smiler's outfit, ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So if you do see Theme Park Travel Hub, make sure you say hi, subscribe, and NF Attractions. This is mental.
It is, it's crazy.
You should see the back of the bathroom door.
Wow, we're going to have to
no.
have a look at the back of the bathroom door now, aren't we?
Try to read it.
I mean, there's not too great, is it, to be fair?
Oh
Look at
my
this
God.
optical illusion. Are we ready? Oh my days! Does that say words? Warning by this...
By the end of this
Stay.
you will belong to the
Smiler! Oh, we deciphered it, didn't we? So we just got a Smiler room, haven't we?
Yeah.
And
there's the
if you are a
chocolate
fan
room.
of Ben and Theme Parks Holly's Adventures, they're in there. They're right there. They're right there in the cabbage room.
No.
Oh, wow, guys. So it's a little bit late now. It's a late night, isn't it?
Very late.
So much for Nemesis in the morning.
Yeah,
It's
gonna
been
be an early
crazy.
start.
It's going to be crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So we're a little bit tired now. A little bit shattered. A little bit run down. It's been a crazy Friday night, a pre-opening day at Alton Towers. We've never done an opening day, let alone this kind of thing, and it's been fantastic, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
We've never stayed at the Alton Towers Hotel or anything like that, and to do this kind of thing is fantastic. It's amazing.
Yeah, it has been absolutely brilliant. And to meet up with all our friends and see people that we haven't seen since fireworks has been absolutely fantastic.
Just the people we've like seen and come up to us, and thank you again for everyone that's come up to us so far. It's only Friday.
No,
Park's not even open.
no.
We did want to take this time to say a massive thank you, guys, to everyone that's ever supported the channel. Give us a like, watched the video, subscribed even.
Yeah, because we're only here because of you guys.
We're here literally on this night because of you guys, so it means so much to us. It really does. So thank you for everything you've ever done for us.
Yeah.
It means so much. We're two bears. They've got a camera. Well, it's not even a camera, it's a phone.
Yeah.
And we just point it and shoot it, and we have a little chat, and that's all we do.
Yeah.
And we have so much fun doing these kind of videos, guys. So make sure you do leave a like, subscribe. We mean so much to us.
It really does.
And we cannot wait to share opening day Alton Towers with you guys, can we? It's coming back, and we're gonna ride it. We're gonna do everything in the park, hopefully. Fingers crossed. We will see, won't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, we cannot wait. So as we said, guys, leave that like, leave a subscribe. There's plenty of Alton Towers videos coming soon, aren't there?
Yeah, there definitely is.
You cannot miss these ones. So thank you for everyone, and we will see you soon.